Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and today I want to share with you some winter organizing tips. We're almost at that time where we're putting away the holiday decor, and it's time to think about home organization and getting your home just right for the rest of the winter season. And so I want to share with you some tips that I think that can be helpful for you. And I want to thank my sponsors of this video, Hobby Lobby, my second home, because they are a great resource for those things to really kind of decorate your home for post-Christmas and also for organizing your home. So let's get started. Okay friends, as I share with you my tips on how to get your home cozy after you take down all of the holiday decor and your house is feeling plain, I'm going to take you on the journey of refreshing my upstairs hallway. I have this piece that I always have up here, have had it for so many years. As you can see, it's so beat up. I don't know if you can see from the camera, but it's really beat up. And I just want to keep it the same, but just give it a refresh. So I'm headed to my secret weapon, Hobby Lobby. And I love Hobby Lobby because it is just such a one-stop shop when it comes to home decor and home organization. They have everything from your rugs. You can go there, that beautiful accent piece of furniture. They have a beautiful selection of mirrors. And what I love about Hobby Lobby is they accommodate a variety of styles. And if you just need inspiration, just go walk around Hobby Lobby. A lot of times I'll go walk around and I'll look at their different beautiful accessories, and it will inspire me in my space. You know, you can see that one thing that can kick off the inspiration for a refresh in your home. So definitely, if you feel like you have that room that you're struggling in, just take a trip to Hobby Lobby, walk around, have no intentions, and it could truly kick off your inspiration for refreshing your home or for a space in your home that you're having trouble with. Now, as far as organization, they really have some great things, whether you're trying to set up a command center or if you're trying to refresh that pantry. They have a beautiful selection of canisters and jars, all kinds of things. So when you go there, it is truly that one-stop shop. And another thing that I love about Hobby Lobby is when I go there, whether I'm organizing a room in my home or I'm needing to do a DIY project, they can accommodate it all. Even if I want to sew a pillow, which you know sewing is not my thing, they have a whole fabric section. And so my favorite section is where they have all of the handles and the knobs, because they're all so unique and they have such a huge selection. And so if you're having that cabinet that just needs a little refresh, go get some new knobs. It can totally make a difference. So friends, another tip for bringing the coziness back into your home after the holidays is by using lamps. And boy, does Hobby Lobby have beautiful lamps, really gorgeous lamps, and I can't wait to share with you the one that I got. But again, I love that they accommodate different styles and they have such a beautiful selection. So now that I have everything that I need, my little tidbits to refresh the space, let's go back to my place and get started. Okay friends, with one stop to Hobby Lobby, I got everything I need to give a little refresh to upstairs in my home. So one thing is that, you know, I have a lot of just neutrals. I have just strictly white and touches of green and gray, and that's just the aesthetic that I love, because I feel like when I have that basic white aesthetic with just a little touch of green, is so inspiring to me, because I can think. It's like my space is a blank canvas, and so all those colorful thoughts and all the colorful food and all the things that we bring into our home have a blank canvas to really shine. And so that's, you know, that's a lot of the reason why I love this color. It's just very soothing to me. And friends, another reason why I like having neutrals in my home is because it keeps it simple when I want to change things up. At Christmas time, when I put that pop of red, it just really looks amazing. In the spring, a touch of yellow, it really pops nicely. So I can easily just, by adding a vase or a simple bowl, can totally change the whole vibe of my space, and it's not anything that's permanent or costly. So now that the painting is done, let me show you some of the beautiful finds that I got at Hobby Lobby. I absolutely fell in love with this vessel when I found it. I thought it would be perfect. It just matches my aesthetic. It has a little texture in it, which could be beautiful. And then of course, I did also find in Hobby Lobby some beautiful greens. They have a whole section of greenery, is just amazing. And I'm going to just simply put that in there. And that's another tip for cozying up your home after the holidays, is to add green in there. And I also found this beautiful tall plant. And because my upstairs hallway is narrow, this plant being so tall and thin is just really the perfect size for my upstairs. Another tip is to bring in candles. Candles bring warmth. And of course, friends, Hobby Lobby doesn't disappoint. They have a huge selection of candles, and so you definitely want to transition to a winter scent. And friends, nothing says cozy space like a blanket or a nice comfy throw, and I could not stop touching this one in Hobby Lobby, so I had to get 2 of them for Mike and I. And how about this lamp? Again, like I said, bringing in lamps is a great way to warm up a space, and so we definitely got a gorgeous one here. So now I'm going to put this space together, and then let's take a look. So friends, with a quick fun DIY of my cabinet and a few new accessories, I totally feel like my upstairs hall is reset and refreshed for the start of the new year. And what I love was that it was fun because I had one-stop shop, went to Hobby Lobby, and I got everything I needed, which made me be able to enjoy the process. I didn't have to run around town going on a mission trying to find all of these pieces. It's just very simple pieces in one spot, but it really makes me happy, and I feel like my space is now cozy and warm and refreshed, and I am ready for the new year. Now, I do want to share with you that I also did reset my drawers. The top drawer I now have for 2 blankets for Mike and I, because our media room is right down the hall, and so we keep the guest blankets in there, so ours are separated here, along with candles that I'll use for the entryway table here. These are the replacement candles as I go through them. And friends, these throws are so soft. They had them in a gray also, but I was just like, you know what, I'm going to go with the ivory color, and I'm so happy I did, because I truly love these, and they're really just soft, and I know Mike and I are going to absolutely love these as we're watching our movies this winter. And then in the second drawer, this is just where I keep my stash of my books, beautifully organized. I have my own stash of my books on hand, and now I love having a place to just store them, and they're neat, they're put away, and they're in a spot that's like not disruptive to our everyday life. But if I need to get to my little stash, I can get to them. And then I will share with you in a different video what I actually did with that bottom drawer, so stay tuned for that. So friends, I am so excited to have my first space refreshed for the new year, new tweaks. It feels good, and I would love to know, what space are you going to start on at the beginning of the year? Let me know in the comments below, and I can't wait for my next trip to Hobby Lobby so that I can start on my next project, because I'm definitely going there not only to get inspiration, but to get that special little gem. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's video and found some tips that could be helpful to you as you are transitioning into the new year. Definitely check out Hobby Lobby as your resource. They have so many great products that can really help you not only beautify your space, but bring in that function. So friends, have a beautiful day. I will link Hobby Lobby below, and I'll see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.